Hello, teacher. Good evening. Okay. Video GA6 2501 AA1 EV02. Student Rodolfo García Monpotes for teacher Sergio Andrés Meneses Gutierrez. Okay. Next. My presentation is computational methods in biochemical reaction simulation. Math 12/2025, Monday morning, a normal day in the quality control laboratory of the Hanford Company weight routine drug analysis. At the moment, as the morning progressed, a coordinator approached me to discuss an issue with a drug that was not complying with the API active ingredients. Okay. Uh, imagine is the problem. Okay, molecular. Several analysts had performed the test and the results were below the permitted limit, and she wanted me to repeat it, which of course I said no to. She looked astonished and asked why not. I explained that I was going to perform a theoretical analysis to find out out what was happening with that medication, since it was very strange that none of my colleagues were obtaining optimal results. And I imagined my friends, the laboratory, the situations of uh, school, so schools. Okay. Therefore, I was given the green light and began searching the literature for analysis of the drugs. I found a publication from 2020 in Tokyo, Japan. The drug was highly photosensitive to ultraviolet light and reactive to oxygen. This led me to suspect my colleagues had made an error in handling the samples delivered by the plant. The drug is manufactured at the plant using a different type of light and in an oxygen-free atmosphere. Uh, and I, I am. That's where I come is with technology. On my laptop, I downloaded NAMD, a molecular dynamics software for high-performance simulation of large biomolecular systems like proteins and nucleic acids. Next images, the software NAND GPU performance benchmarks a hardware recommendation benchmark. A calibration using NAND B may be formatted review. Therefore, is used the software and it's my time. I began I began my simulating the drug, adjusting variables such as temperature, atmosphere, and light condition. This dog might realize in the end the result I delivered indicate that there were two possible approaches to analyze the drug. One was to control the condition of the actual test by subjecting it to oxygen-free and ultraviolet-free conditions. The other was to add a head protection such as an essential oil during manufacturing at the plant to prevent degradation of the drug in the laboratory. The cheapest option was to add a small amount during manufacturing and then reanalyze it. Ultimately, the object was issued and the API met its acceptability specification. Uh, Teacher, I imagine next working at the moment molecular in the language programmation, the software name. Okay. This demonstrates the technology focus on programming health made to validate a real problem in my work environment by proving a real solution through the programming language. Teacher, the images show the design a shaped weight, the medication to ensure stability under ambient conditions, while oxygen and ultraviolet light. Okay, teacher? The image is the moment, the working day moment. Okay, teacher? Thank you.